I have a family of stellar jays. Mommy and Daddy have a big nest in the big evergreen tree out front, and they're raising their 2 fledglings in my backyard. And there's one baby, and there's the other baby over there underneath the fern, scratching around in the bark. And he just pooped in my sweet peas and tore up my lettuce, and I don't even care because they are so cute. I love watching them learn how to be birds. It's pretty cool. Mommy and Daddy will swoop in. They've been hanging out in this rhododendron. They love my little waterfall. They keep hanging out around it.